Okay, so what Zapiekanka is, it basically means Polish pizza.
I'll serve it while you explain.
Yeah, so just cut half in the middle.
Yeah.
That's it. It's called Polish pizza, because you basically got bread, cheese, tomato, and a bit of meat in it. And the story behind it is that, I went we actually went to Poland to teach English over there, and I was staying with host families, and they made it for me, and it was really good. So I definitely wanted to try it when I came back to Australia, and here it is for you guys.
Awesome. So let's give it a
dig in.
go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Really
Wow,
good.
that tastes really good. Like,
yeah. It's really easy.
it's really easy as well. That's the biggest thing, you know. You can substitute the mushroom with meat as well if you like, and you can use any cheeses that you want. So yeah, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. In Simple Cookery, we teach you simple recipes and cooking techniques to get you better and more confident in the kitchen. We're out.